SS&CC Little Small Baking Sheets Nonstick Set. The SS&CC Little Small Baking Sheets Nonstick Set is a versatile addition to any kitchen, perfect for baking, roasting, and more. These compact baking sheets are designed to fit small ovens, toaster ovens, or air fryers, making them ideal for single servings or small portions. Made from durable carbon steel, they ensure even heat distribution for perfectly cooked results. The non-stick coating allows for easy food release and effortless cleanup. Scratch-resistant and long-lasting, these pans are built for everyday use. Their rolled edges prevent warping at high temperatures, ensuring durability over time. Lightweight and easy to handle, they are perfect for quick meals or baking projects. Dishwasher safe, they simplify cleanup and save time. The sleek black finish adds a touch of modern style to your kitchen. Upgrade your bakeware with the reliable SS&CC Small Baking Sheets Non-Stick Set.